So I want to make sure that you know how to annotate a PDF inside of Moodle. So I'm going to go to grades, and then I'm going to scroll down to the assignment, which was called Annotate PDF. So I see here that I have one submitted and one needs grading, and I'm going to go to view all submissions. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to see that there's one here to grade. If I click on this PDF, it's going to download it here, right? But if I click on grade, it's going to open that PDF up inside of Moodle. And here I see it, but hold on a minute. You have these three icons at the bottom. This first icon shows the screen of the submission. The second icon shows a split screen with the submission directions and then the actual PDF. And the third one shows just the PDF. And on both of these, I have tools, but they're hidden unless I come to this third one. See that? So now the tool set appears. And if there's more than one page, I've got arrows here. This changes the orientation of the page. This is a comment tool. So I can type in comment in a box. It seems that you missed the S. Okay, so now here's a comment I've typed in a yellow box. I have colors here. Once I click away, it gives me this little icon of speech bubble. I can move things around. That's what the hand usually does. And then I have this doodle tool, so I can actually write on things. So here the colors are yellow, red, green, blue, black. I'm going to use the red, and I'm going to show Q, R, S. So in here is missing the S. And I'm just scribbling with my finger on the mouse pad. Here I have a line. Can make it any direction I want. Here I have a square or rectangle tool, and I can just visually make it a square or a rectangle. Same with the circle tool. And I have a highlighter tool, so it likely wouldn't want to highlight in red, but I'm going to change it to yellow so I can highlight in the other colors as well, just so that you see. And then I have stamps. So I have an X, I have a check mark, and I have a sad face and a happy face. So here I might put the X where the mistake is. And then maybe I chose this font because it was designed with unique letters and numbers to help all people. It's quite accessible to dyslexic individuals. Some examples are. And I maybe like the comment that they left. And so I use that here. And then I can notify the student that this has been assessed with comments, and I can save the changes. The reset does not take the comments away. I'm not really sure what the reset does. I think it sets it back to the orientation it had originally. And I think those are the only tools that you are going to use. So let's call it a day.